Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer software testing interview question 248. That is when alpha phase of the software will be completed. Let me answer. So when the alpha phase of the software will be completed. Software goes through several phases while getting developed and also while or during getting released into the market, software has to go through several phases like pre-alpha phase, which is the first phase of the software, then alpha phase, second phase, beta phase, which is the third phase, then release candidate, RC phase, and final phase, that is stable general availability phase. So alpha phase is the second phase of the software. When this second phase of the software, that is alpha phase, will be completed, in alpha phase, as we already know, the formal testing will start here. Okay. In pre-alpha phase, only development will start according to the requirements. The developers will start developing, but formal testing will not start in the pre-alpha phase. Whereas in alpha phase, the formal testing starts. The developers will start testing, the software testers will start testing, and other level of software testing, that is user acceptance testing. One part of the user acceptance testing also will be done in this alpha phase. Okay. As you can see here, developers as part of the alpha phase will be performing unit testing, integration testing. Testers will be performing the testing, the entire system as a whole, they will be testing, that is system testing. And user acceptance testing, there are two types, that is alpha and beta. But here, beta testing will not be performed in alpha phase. Only alpha testing will be performed in the alpha phase, where the client side business people will be performing the testing, okay, to see whether the software is meeting the user needs and expectations in advance. Okay. So as part of unit testing, integration testing, system testing, more focus is on the requirements of the software that the client has provided. Whereas in user acceptance testing, alpha testing of the alpha phase, the client side business people who has very good domain knowledge and who has interaction with the customers and all, who knows the business well, how the software meets the user needs and expectations, that such kind of people will travel to the developer side and they will be performing the testing alongside the developers. Okay. And they will be suggesting the changes so that the software meets the user needs and expectations. Okay, their focus point is whether the software is meeting the user needs and expectations, not about the requirements. Testers will take care of the software is developed according to the requirements, whereas client side business people will take care of whether the software that is developed according to the client given requirements will satisfy the user needs or expectations. Okay, and here testers will also support as part of the changes and all, whether software is working fine and all, along with the developers also. Okay, so once all the requirements are developed, okay, and once all these changes suggested by the client side business people are incorporated into the software, okay, and there is no more feature to be added either as part of the client requirement side or user needs and expectation side, no other feature need to be added, and everything is ready, the software is working and stable, okay, and there are no defects in the software. When such kind of situation reaches, then alpha phase will be completed and we'll be moving to the beta phase, where beta testing will start. The software will be released into the market to the end users for testing purpose and collecting the feedback for them. Okay, this is where the alpha testing will be completed, guys, once all the client specified requirements are developed properly, and also the client side business people as part of alpha testing has given some feedback, okay, as per the user needs and expectation. That feedback is also incorporated and there is no more thing that need to be added to the software, and software is running fine in a stable manner, then alpha phase will be completed. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. In the next session I'm going to answer another software testing interview question for you. Till then, see you, bye bye.